Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a Colab notebook so you can run code on a remote VM. This is the core how. Open Colab, sign in, and create a new notebook. Once done, pick a runtime, Python version, and optionally GPU or TPU to speed heavy workloads. Make sure to upload any small files directly or mount Google Drive for persistent storage. That explains why drive mounting avoids data loss between sessions. Now you have an active environment to execute cells. You now control the environment and run code. Install libraries in Cell with bang commands like pip install to ensure dependencies are present. This is how your code finds the right packages. Once installed, restart the runtime so path and imports refresh, and then run cells in logical order to avoid state mishaps. Use plotted outputs and inline tables to verify results immediately, and save frequently so checkpoints reflect the current state. This explains why incremental saves prevent lost work. You finish by saving and preparing for reproducibility. Export the notebook to Drive or download the IPINB or an HTML report so others can reproduce your steps. That is why exports matter. If something breaks, inspect the session log and hardware monitor to see memory or GPU limits, then clear state and restart the runtime. Finally, rerun cells in order and verify package versions. This troubleshooting tip resolves most environment-related failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.